bracket up to wall and mark each screw location. Drill holes for screws with a 3/16 inch drill bit. Place anchors into pre-drilled holes. Screw brackets securely into place. Make sure back end of center bracket is even with the back end of side brackets. Slide headrail into brackets and close bracket doors. Snap turning wand into place. Insert L-shaped clip, then attach return at the other end of the L-shaped clip. Turn valance around and insert valance clip into groove. Attach valance to head rail. Insert bottom rail end caps.